Hello all! Today I'm going to show you how to display alternate contact information on the customer record, which simply means adding extra contact information. When you create a new contact and you choose the option company or location, you have the possibility to add a primary contact. By doing this, you will have a direct contact instead of just having a company name. Let's create one so I can show you. We go to customers and then add a contact. In here we have the two options. I'm gonna choose company or location, and here we have the primary contact. When you create a contact that is a person, here the primary contact space won't appear because when your customer is a person, as I mentioned, the name of that person will be instantly taken as a primary contact. Okay, going back, we're gonna complete it. The company name is gonna be called John Smith Services and okay, the name of my primary contact will be John Smith. Here we put the contact phone, we complete john.com. Here we have address, and these options: build the service address above or build to a different address, the source where you found it, and if you wanna write any special instructions. Then we click on Save Contact. This is a customer record for John Smith Services & Co. We can see right now that in this different section, it is shown the primary contact, which is John Smith. There is also another option to add a primary contact if you already created the customer record but forgot to add it. We go back to customers. For example, this is another company which already has the primary contact. I'm gonna remove it so we can add it again. Okay. We go back, here it is. We're gonna add it. We need to go to location contacts. We click on additional contact. We fill out the information, which will be Harry Lesbian. We complete all the information. Address and any note. And you need to check this box which says this is a primary contact for this number. Okay. We checked it, we create the contact, we refresh the page, and here it is. This is for adding it when you forgot to add it when you created the customer record. Then this will be all for today. I'm glad that I get to be here with you again. If you have any doubts about this or other features of the software, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to take advantage of all that Kickserv has to offer for you. Bye, have a great day!